That is so fucking cool. These other ones. Ha! So you'd put a little webbing tab where?
So this would be on the harness, and then we would have, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the corresponding bag there'd be 4 of these nipples that you just have to get it anywhere near there and it would find itself.
They can be totally replaced if something malfunctions or breaks.
Just nut and bolt in here, and then these nipples just have to go through a hole and they are replaceable that way.
Oh man, that's so cool.